The dark truth about cold approaching women is that it does not actually work. Even Neil Strauss, author of The Game that actually introduced cold approach and pickup art to many men around the world, has admitted that 80% of result with women is delivered by your inner game, and only 20% of the success can be attributed to outer game. But I want to argue here in my video that 100% of your game, of your success, is attributed to your inner game. This is the reason why yogis call our visible reality as Maya, because whatever you can experience in your visible world is directly an extension of your own mind. If, if in your mind you are a loser, then you will experience your world, your visible world, that reaffirms your identity. Girls will come in your life, they will reject you, they will make you feel like more of a loser. However, if you upgrade your inner game and you successfully impress a new program in your subconscious mind that says, I am a winner, I am desired by many beautiful women, then this program in your subconscious mind will get outpictured into your visible world. And then suddenly girls will come up to you. They will express their desire to be with you. They will try to touch you. They will beg for your attention. And you will just be there with a big smirk on your face because you have created this life circumstance through your own inner work. Inner work means meditation, visualization, and knowing the secret of imagination. Neville Goddard said, imagination creates reality. And I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was introduced to game. I was cold approaching women endlessly. And despite all of this, I still felt inadequate. I still felt non-confident. But during COVID lockdown, I had to turn inwards because I was suffering from anxiety and panic attacks. I could not approach anyone because I was not allowed to go outside. And and meditation and turning inwards taught me one thing. That is, outer game, cold approaching, pickup techniques never really worked. It was all my imagination and feelings while reading a small sex book that was actually creating good result with women in my visible world. So the only true power that you have regarding success with women and every other field in your life is your own sense of imagination. If you can make your imagination powerful, then your subconscious mind must give life to your imagination. If your imagination consists of you becoming super attractive and girls coming up to you, they complimenting you, saying things like, wow, you're so amazing. And you can feel the excitement, you can feel the joy, you can feel the victory out of this imagination. Then whatever you have imagined will actually get externalized into your visible world. This is why Neville Goddard said, persistent imagination creates reality. So tonight, as you go to bed at night, close your eyes, relax, either through yoga nidra or to deep breathing exercise for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When you feel complete relaxation, then you start to imagine all these beautiful things happening to you. You approaching women, beautiful women, and approach is going really well, or girls touching you, their pupils getting dilated because they are so attracted to you, they are confessing their love to you, and mentally rehearse this imaginal act over and over again until you start to derive feelings of joy or victory. Sustain these elevated emotions for a while and simply sleep. What happens during sleep is this imagination plus feeling gets impregnated into your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind will give form to your imagination in your physical reality. Now you have done the work. Now your subconscious mind will bend physical reality until whatever you have imagined actually happens to you. You will be compelled to move into one event after another. You will be compelled to utter the right kinds of words. You'll be compelled to exhibit the most confident body language. Girls in your visible world will be compelled to come towards you, to meet you. And whatever you have visualized will happen, will materialize in your physical world. And it is all done because you have impressed a new program, a new imagination plus feeling in your subconscious mind. You lose free will after you have impressed your subconscious mind with the correct program. But a average human being cannot visualize in first person. He cannot vividly imagine, provide all the sensory vividness to his imaginal act. His attention span is bad, so it will either drift to past traumatic event or it will start to anticipate future worst case scenario. He has practiced feeling negative emotions for so long that it is going to be difficult for him to feel elevated emotions of joy, of victory all of a sudden. So I request you to do this practice of visualization for at least 30 nights in a row so that you can finally upgrade your own sense of imagination, attention, and capacity to hold feelings so that your imagination actually gets outpictured into your physical reality so that you do not have to cold approach women like a headless chicken without any clue so that you do not get rejected by women endlessly and your self confidence takes more heat. Just visualize that you're perfect and feel the joy of that visualization. Then it will actually materialize in your physical world because physical world is not real. It is just an illusion out of your own mental activities. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop solid imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive feelings so that whatever you have imagined gets outpictured into your physical reality and you do not have to run around the street headlessly approaching women, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.